Not bad.
Sounds good.
It's only like a 5-6 watt amp. But
It sounds good.
yeah, that's timed pretty much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's where you like it.
Yeah. On these little ones like this, yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Man. Glad Alright, so to be fair, we'll hook up the internal speaker. That way, you'll see.
Okay, here.
Now, it's the original little Marshall speaker. I don't know what it was.
Let's
but
see.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I know. Well, we'll see what it sounds like. Could be okay.
Yeah.
I have no idea, man.
It's a China.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Turn the bass up on a little bit. So it's not a pair of Celestians, but it's usable. Sounds pretty good for what it is, yeah.
Sure.